Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix if your iPhone is draining battery percentage very fast after the update of iOS 17. So as if you have updated your iPhone to the latest version iOS 17 and the battery is draining very fastly, here I will show you how can you fix this problem. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here you have to simply close all those apps which you are not using right now. So guys, simply close all the apps which you are not using right now and use the app whichever you are using right now. So after this, go for the next solution, that is you have to force restart your device for one time. So guys, simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button for 30 seconds, and after this force restart your device. So guys, after this you have to simply open settings and from here tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage. So as from here you have to delete all those apps which are useless for you. So I simply delete all those apps which are useless for you, and after this go back, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed and the battery percentage will not decrease very fastly. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.